the fastest way to lose your friends or to lose business is to talk about politics. I find it fascinating because if you look at the stock chart of Tesla, it was at like 400, almost $410 on November 5th, 2021. And since then, the stock is down 60%, right? And so we've all heard the thing with Elon Musk and Twitter. And so, of course, Elon likes to express his opinions on politics, right? And because of that, he's causing a lot of financial losses for the people that follow him, right? Because so when he joined Twitter, all of a sudden, Twitter starts losing various advertisers. First, it lost like advertisers that were in the automotive space, which you kind of understand because it's like, okay, if Elon is running Twitter, we're not gonna, support Twitter and advertise our automobiles through Twitter when he's a competitor to us, with Tesla, right? But as more and more he becomes, opinionated on politics, he's losing more and more advertisers, and that's because, if you think about it from the point of view of advertisers, I always think of Michael Jordan. When Michael Jordan never got involved in talking about politics, and I remember the famous saying, he said, Republicans buy Snickers too. So if you are a business, if let's say I'm a business, right? I'm selling books or I'm selling microcap explosions, the last thing I want to do is to talk about, politics and then anger half of the people that watch my channel, right? That's the last thing I want to do. I want to be able to appeal to as many people as possible and not go the route. And the same thing is with advertisers. They want to be neutral, right? They want to sell you a car, they want to sell you a pillow, and they don't really care what your political views are. They just want your money. Because the income statement or balance sheet doesn't care if you're a Republican or a Democrat, liberal or conservative, right? So now he's losing a lot of supporters, and Twitter was already losing money. So any shortfalls in Twitter, he covers by selling Tesla stock, right? So now Tesla stock is like in Freefall, because it's like a piggy bank for him, right? And also what I find fascinating is that if you think about the people that are most likely to buy Teslas vehicles, it's more people on the left, and somebody said that Democrats are 4 times as likely to buy Tesla than Republicans, and it kind of makes sense because Republicans and conservatives, they want oil and gas, right? They want more pipelines. They don't think that this EV revolution is good. You know what I'm saying, right? So they're not as likely to buy a Tesla vehicle than it is Democrats or liberals that do care about the environment, and they think that driving an electric car is the way to be more green, right? So Elon Musk, by talking about politics and angering Democrats or liberals, he's actually driving them away from purchasing Teslas. And it doesn't matter that it doesn't matter that their car might be the best looking, the best driving, the best or this, just because they're angry with him, they're not going to buy the vehicle. And you can see it all over Twitter how they're like saying, some people, and I saw some of the comments. It's like, I don't like your political views. I don't like what you're doing with Twitter. I'm not going to buy Tesla. I'm going to buy, Chevy or this or that. Or I'm just going to buy a regular car. So now, because of that, openness about politics. And as I said, you want to talk about politics, you're going to lose your friends or you're going to lose the business as fast as possible. And because of, this mouth about expressing his views on politics, unfortunately, he's causing people that are believers in him, in Tesla, to lose a lot of money. I mean, think about this. Tesla market cap lost like $500 billion. More than, $500 billion over the last few months because now people are bailing out. They don't want to support him in the stock. And they're also worried about how his behavior is going to, impact the future sales of Teslas. So anyway, I'm not really taking a stance here on politics one way or another, but I know from my personal experience that the fastest way to lose friends and the fastest way to lose business is to talk about politics and divide people.